This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to the people. The national helpline number is 011-2397-8046 and 1075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has spoken to the Chief Ministers of Assam and Mizoram and asked them to resolve the interstate boundary issue amicably. 6 Assam police personnel were killed while several people were injured in clashes along the Assam-Mizoram boundary on Monday. Meghalaya Chief Minister Khasi spoke to his Assam counterpart Himanta Biswa Sarma in regard to a skirmish along the interstate boundary at Longkhuli village in Ribhoi district, which took place on Monday following the setting up of electric poles. Both the Chief Minister decided that there should not be any further instigation and peace should be maintained along the boundary. Both sides have been asked to refrain and restrain, the Chief Minister said. The Meghalaya and Assam state governments are working towards finding an amicable solution to the interstate boundary issue. Meghalaya Governor Satya Pal Malik interacted with the newly appointed Meghalaya Civil Service MCS officers batch 2021 at the Raj Bhavan in Shillong yesterday. He congratulated the 38 officers trainees for their remarkable effort in qualifying for the Meghalaya Civil Service. The Governor expressed happiness that the officers came from different fields of education, all for the purpose of taking the state to a new height. Mr. Malik stated that the expectations of the public towards the government services are fast changing, hence they should be dynamic and adapt quickly. Meghalaya yesterday saw a spike in the number of COVID-19 cases with 710 new cases and 9 deaths being reported. Also, 453 more persons recovered from the viral disease. The state had 5,332 active cases, including 1,932 in East Khasi Hills district alone. The death toll in Meghalaya due to COVID-19 has gone up to 1,040. The East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police Traffic, Shailendra Bamaniya, has warned that strict action will be taken as per law against anyone found moving without a pass during curfew hours. In a statement, he pointed out that many were found misusing the car passes issued by the competent authorities even during the curfew hours from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. The SP said that vehicles only with curfew pass are exempted from the restriction. South Shillong MLA Sanbar Shulai was yesterday sworn in as the new minister in the Council of Ministers in Meghalaya. Mr. Shulai was administered oath by the Governor of Meghalaya, Satya Pal Malik, in Raj Bhavan in Shillong. Among those who were present on the occasion were Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Prastan Tinsang, Cabinet Ministers and senior government officials. Mr. Shulai will be filling the gap left by former Health Minister and BJP MLA Alexander Lalu Hek. The government of Manipur and people of the state yesterday accorded a historic welcome to Tokyo Olympics silver medalist Kumari Saikhom Mirabai Chanu. On her arrival at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh along with ministers, MLAs and large number of people received her. Later, the State Youth Affairs and Sports Department organized a colourful reception function in her honour at the City Convention Centre at Imphal. The Chief Minister presented a cheque of ₹1 crore and the appointment order for the post of Additional Superintendent of Police, Sports, to the ace weightlifter for her outstanding achievement. Mirabai Chanu dedicated the Olympic medal to the people of Manipur. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.